Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete a friend on Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening up the game guys, go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game where you can see all of your progress, you can continue playing, and so on. So as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we can see all the options we can access, such as we can see our map, we can see the events that are currently going on, and the shop. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to delete a friend from our profile. Well guys, this is how to do it. As you can see at the top of the screen, you can see your profile picture. So guys, that is what you want to click. So guys, go ahead and click your profile picture at the top of the screen, and after clicking on that guys, it's going to go ahead and open up this new profile option where you can see your profile, and one of the sections is going to go ahead and be called friends. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the friends section and open up friends, and in the friends section guys, you can now go ahead and see all of your friends. As you can currently see, I have no friends right here, but if I had friends on the application guys, they're going to go ahead and appear right here. So what we want to do is just go ahead and click on them, click on the friend in the friend list guys, and then click on remove or delete depending whatever it says in your game. Click on remove, and this will successfully remove them from your profile and they will no longer appear in your friend list. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.